Here we go. See what we can find. So this is pretty dang steep. Yeah, so this is easy. The fun part's going to be getting out of here tonight. So before I can even get my little paddle going here out in the river, this thing's under the dock. Look how beautiful that is. Nice piece of driftwood. Some old stuff right here now. How many pots do you see made in Italy nowadays? So starting out to be a really good day for like some old stuff and and some driftwood. I just found 3 beautiful pieces of driftwood in one spot down here. I'm going to show them to you right about now. Now this sucker's heavy right here. I can hardly hold it up for you, but well, this doesn't look good. Just spotted something down here. Ooh, nice little cork topper. I knew that was bound to happen. Let's go check it out under here. Oh man. Just keeps going. Gonna have to paddle out around the end of this one. This is probably like 150 feet. So this piece here under the board, it's called sinker cypress. It's been here for, who knows, hundreds and hundreds of years, right? It's worth thousands to the right people when cut right. Oh man. I can use that. This is basically the absolute most beautiful piece of driftwood that I've ever seen in a swamp anywhere. bar none. I mean, this thing is incredible. Look at the natural etching on this thing. All natural. So this was worth the trip today. If I never found a bottle or piece of wood to take home, this is worth the trip. It's like a spring in the woods that just runs into the St. John's back here. It's early spring now in North Florida. Everything's starting to pop, get super green. So I don't know if you can see it or not, but I've just spotted the absolute biggest fishing lure that I've ever seen in my life in fresh water. And I don't know what they were fishing for, but they had to be big. It's like a saltwater trolling rig, and I want to see if I can dig it out. It's about 8 inches long. Another mega cypress down, ancient. This thing's crazy. Look how tall this thing was. Half of it's up in the woods. It's probably another 150 feet or so, I imagine. Oh my gosh. This cavity's like 20 feet deep. So I've said it so many times over and over, and I truly mean it. I'm so blessed to be out here, and you know, every day out here is a great day, and some are better than others, but the stuff that I saw today, the driftwood that I can't retrieve, and the things that I ended up with, I mean, it doesn't get any better than this for me. I love it. So anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this. What I call an epic day. Almost perfect. Well, now comes a real challenge. got to make it up these rocks and then up this hill behind me back here and to the truck. And this is my first launch here, so we'll see how it goes. I'm not really sure at this point, but here goes. I got to get the fin off the paddleboard so it doesn't break it, and then see what happens. Got to get that sucker off. Spidey, we did it again, buddy. Maybe if I do like a perception kayak review or something like that, because I'm about to beat the hell out of this thing. Maybe perception send me a new one. See what happens. I think I'll do that though. Perception kayak review, and show me with 300 pounds of crap on it. See how they respond. Damn, that was hard. That was hard as hell for an old fart. But I got it. Clear sailing now. This ought to keep me busy for a little while. All right, made it up the hill. Well, no cook and eat today, folks, because to be quite honest with you, I can barely even heat up stuff in the microwave, you know. But anyhow, see ya. Hope you enjoyed it.